Hi everyone, I thought I would do another little video to help go over the different terminology in crochet for anybody who is a very new beginner to crochet. This can be quite confusing because there is two different types of terminology. There is the UK terminology and there is the US terminology. I'm a self-taught crocheter and I learnt US because initially I didn't know there was two different. But this can cause problems in your work if you don't know which one you're to use. Most patterns will tell you if it's US or UK, but if they don't, I would assume they are US because most are. So here I've got a few different stitches which I will go over in different videos, so please don't worry if you don't know what these are yet or how to do these. I thought I would just go over them first. So when we make our initial foundation chain, it's called a chain, and it will look like this when it's just a chain. You will then work into these loops, and that is how you will build up your crochet. This is called a chain in both US and UK terminology. So it's an easy one, you don't have to worry about that at all. You will do these chains when you're making your foundation chain. So that is how many chains you will make for your initial piece. Or if when you've changed a row, so for example on this one here, if you are turning to make your next row, you would need to do a chain. Depending on which stitch you're using would be how many chains you would do, but it will tell you that in your pattern, and of course within my videos I will tell you how many chains to do. The other thing that is the same between US and UK is a slip stitch. Again, I will go over this in another video, so please don't worry if you don't know what that is yet, but it would be the same in both patterns. Thereafter then we have single crochet. This is 2 rows of single crochet here. So this is what it looks like. That is the US terminology. Like I say, I use US. In the UK, that is called double crochet. Next, we have the half double. In the UK, that's called the half treble. So it builds a bit higher, as you can see here. Next, we have what the US call the double crochet. This is the stitch that I use the most. So you'll probably find this in a lot of patterns. It in the UK is called the treble. And finally here we have the US treble. It is called the double treble in the UK. So I, like I say, always use the US. So if you're watching my tutorials, it will be the US terminology, which is a chain, a single crochet, a half double, a double, and a treble. So if you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my page for further tutorials. Thank you.